Hey everybody, David Tyson here for Rourke Tech Services. Today we're going to learn how to use the keyboard like a real IT pro. You really should be able to use keyboard shortcuts for just about every action you would normally use a mouse for on the computer. We're going to scratch the surface with just a few of the more useful ones for Windows 10, but there are hundreds of keyboard shortcuts to help improve your workflow productivity. As you can see here, I have a lot of applications open. So one of the first keyboard shortcuts we're going to learn is the Windows plus D key, which will help you quickly toggle between the desktop and open applications. As you see, a quick press of the Windows and D key minimizes all open applications. Pressing it again brings them all back. Now once you do have them all back, instead of clicking on each application you have open to switch between them, you can use the Alt plus Tab key, and what that will do will switch between the open applications. You see here a list comes up, and I can keep pressing Tab to switch to the one I want. I'm going to go ahead and go to the notepad here, and now that we have that selected, you see I have a little text there, hello friends, and to select all of that text, and you can do this in any application, you can press Control A. And once I press that, you see it automatically selects all the text in that document. Now let's say I want to copy and paste that. So I'll press Control C to copy. And then once I do that, I can paste it anywhere I like by pressing Control V. Press Control A again, and it'll again select all the text in that document. So that's a useful one when you're working with Word documents. Another great tool to use is the Windows plus up arrow key. That will maximize the application I'm using, and if I want to minimize it, I just press Windows and down arrow, and it's right back to where it was. Another great shortcut is the Windows key, which brings up your Start menu, and I can use the arrow keys then to select whichever application I would like to open. Just press the Windows key again, and it'll minimize that application. Now I'm going to use the shortcut we learned previously, Alt and Tab, to select another application, and I'll select Google Chrome. And once I'm there, I'm going to show you a very useful shortcut you can use to find virtually any word that you're looking for in virtually any application. And I'll do that by pressing Control F. As you see, a search menu appears. Now here I can type in any word, like tech, and that'll show you all the areas where tech appears on that web page. It'll highlight them for you as well. That's a great thing to use when you're searching long documents on the internet and you're looking for very specific sections that contain the word you're looking for. Another useful shortcut is the Alt and Spacebar. And what that will do will bring up the menu for any application you have open. And once you have that menu open, you'll notice that letters are underlined for each action. For example, minimize has the letter N underlined. So what I'll do is go ahead and press the Windows key plus the letter that's underlined to perform that action. In this case, N for minimize. There it goes. As you can see, all these actions will make your productivity quicker and easier for you. I know at first it seems like a lot to memorize, but the more you use them, the more they become like second nature, and before you know it, you'll never want to use the mouse again. So I thank you for joining us today. I hope you learned some useful keyboard shortcuts. Ask any questions you have in the comments, and please subscribe if you'd like to continue watching more videos of helpful tech tips to help improve your productivity on Windows 10. Thanks for joining us, and take care.